Welcome to Direction 360. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. Gery Christian Chapter number 13. Exercise. Question number 1. Define liquid junction potential. A potential which is developed when two electrolytic solutions have different concentration are brought in contact with each other through porous partition or salt bridge is called liquid junction potential. It is due to unequal diffusion of ions across the boundary, which results in a net charge build-up on each side of the boundary. It can be minimized by adding high concentration of electrolyte on one side of the boundary, whose cation and anion diffuse at nearly equal rates, e.g. saturated solution KCl. Cation and anion move from one side to another side through porous partition or salt bridge. Part B. Define residual liquid junction potential. Answer is that it is the difference in the liquid junction potentials of an electrode in a calibrating solution and an unknown solution. It can be minimized by keeping the conditions of the solutions as nearly the same as possible, such as ion, strength, and especially the pH. Question number 2. Discuss the mechanism of glass membrane electrode response for pH measurement. The generally accepted theory of glass electrode response to protons is the result of migration of solution proton to the hydrated glass surface gel containing low activity protons for the silicon hydroxide group, building up a microscopic layer of positive charges, the boundary potential. Other theories are offered based on the chemisorption and the charge separation or capacitance. Question number 3. What is the alkaline error and the acid error of a glass membrane pH electrode? First of all, we will discuss alkaline error. The alkaline error is the result of competition between hydrogen and sodium ion for the potential determining mechanism. At high pH response to sodium becomes appreciable, causing the pH reading to become too acidic. This is alkaline error. The next is acidic error. What is acidic error? The acidic error occurs in very acidic solution and is a result of the decrease of water activity, causing a positive error in pH reading. This is called acidic error. Question number 4. Describe the different type of ion selective electrodes. Include in your discussion the construction of the electrodes, difference in membranes, and their usefulness. The answer is that the general construction of ion selective electrodes is internal reference electrode or internal filling solution and membrane. The main difference in electrodes lies differences in their membranes. There are 4 major types of membranes, include following. Glass membranes useful for the monovalent cations. Precipitate impregnated membranes used for anions and some cations. Solid state crystalline membrane used for halides, especially for fluoride, sulfide, cyanide, and some cations. And liquid membranes useful several cations and anions, especially for calcium nitrate, perchlorate, and chloride. Question number 5. What is selectivity coefficient? Discuss its significance and how would you determine its value? Define selectivity coefficient. Answer is that it is a measure of selectivity of membrane response of an ion selective electrode for one ion over another and can be used in the Nernst equation to predict the response due to interfering ion. It can be estimated by measuring the potential of two different solutions containing different concentrations of two ions to which the electrode responds, separate solution method, or by measuring the potential of solution of mixtures of the ions. Question number 6. What is a ground ether? Can you draw the structure of a ground ether having name 18 ground 6 ether? Answer. A ground ether is a natural cyclic ether containing several oxygen in a ring or cage that is of appropriate size to incorporate and complex metal ions of certain Cs. A 16 ground 6 ether contains 6 oxygen and a 16-member ring. It is the structure of ground ether means 18 ground 6 ether having molecular formula C12H24O6. Question number 7. Define what is the Nikolsky equation? Answer. The Nikolsky equation describes the potential of an electrode that responds to two or more ions and is given by following. This is the equation. In equation, E represents the measured potential, L is the constant for the primary ions, S is the slope, Z is the charge on ion, A is the activity of ion, Ka is the selectivity coefficient of analyte versus interference. इस वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर 13 एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक डिस्कस किए हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसके न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मज़ीद बेल के आइकन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिलता रहे। जज़ाकल्लाह।